Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by picking the clip you want to change. Make sure it's selected in the timeline so effects attach to it. Next, open the effects browser and type Invert to find the built-in invert filter. This is faster than scrolling. Drag the invert effect directly onto the clip. Once applied, playback will immediately show the reversed luminance and color channels, which is useful to check the result before any adjustments. If nothing changes, verify the clip is still selected. Once the effect is on the clip, go to the video inspector to control parameters and choose which channels to invert. You do this to preserve skin tones or highlights. If only part of the frame needs inversion, add a draw mask effect above or below invert, then link their order so inversion affects only the masked area. Make sure to feather and expand the mask for natural edges and animate the mask with keyframes when subjects move, so the inverted region tracks correctly over time. To finish, scrub and render the timeline so the inverted result plays smoothly. Use CMD+R if playback stutters. If you need the inversion to apply to several stacked clips, make a compound clip and apply invert to that compound for consistent results. This simplifies color grading downstream. If the effect looks wrong, try resetting parameters or remove and reapply the effect. If problems persist, clear render files for the project and re-render, because corrupt cache is a common cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.